In this video, I will show you how to turn off SafeSearch on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come across to google.com and just do a quick Google search for anything you want really. So I'm just gonna Google search for Tech Tutor, and once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon, so that's your actual Google account, not the one up here, and on this menu that comes up, if you just scroll down slightly, you're going to see the option for SafeSearch. You can see mine's currently set to filtering on, so to turn this off, give it a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this, and from here, all you need to do is simply select the option which says off. At the bottom, you're going to get a confirmation pop-up saying SafeSearch is now off, and if we come back to google.com and click back onto our profile, you will now see that SafeSearch is turned off. So that is how to turn off SafeSearch in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.